Hello, my name is L-Noodle and today I'm going to be watching a video called Chicken by the Pengest Munch. So my dad found this video for me. I have no idea what it's like. I mean, I really don't know. I swear I haven't looked at it yet, so I don't really know what it's going to be like. But, you know, like, let's see what happens. Let's go.
Here we are, outside the deadest team on the planet. But we're not here for the team. We're here for chicken. But before that, prep check. Wow. So, chicken fillet, 230. It's kind of pink. Could I get 4 wings, chips, chicken burger, a lilt, and ginger beer? It was £5.80 without the drink. 4 wings, £1.30. I'm in Old Street and it's £1.20. How does that work? Alright, so chips, like they were fat chips, which I was gassed about at first thinking, boom, they're going to be soft. That wasn't the case. Nothing special. It needed barbecue sauce. Without barbecue sauce, there's no way you're back in. You'll just feel it chilling in your throat. Out of 5, chips get 3. Wings and that. I was expecting the best because bear in mind, fam, this thing was in total £6.40. The wings were fairly fresh. You know, they fell off the bone quite well. Like they were well cooked, quite succulent. Going into actual flavour, weak. It might have been a bit of cayenne, maybe 1-2 little bits of black pepper. It had a little bit of heat, slightly, very slightly. That was about it. I have to say, the best thing about it, I'd say, is the texture. Just because it's different, they actually have breadcrumbs on it. It was rolled in breadcrumbs, you could tell, because when the thing's fried, it's not the one piece of skin that's all just slides off, essentially. It's all segmented into these little breadcrumbs, and that gives it a nice texture, I must say. Because of the breading. For that, I'll say 3.5, but yeah, again, they're not far past mediocre. You know what, the burger, it caught me off guard, because it was hench. My mind was like, rah, this burger's hench. I looked at it, I was like, that looks peng. And it hit me, probably about 2/3 of the way in. I clocked, the burger was not peng at all. It was just hench. And so I spent more time chewing, and then focusing on making sure I don't choke. The flavour was dead. I can't say I could have tasted any spices in there. At all. At all, none whatsoever. Salt, maximum. And something that did catch me off guard, man definitely chewed on a bone. Boss man. I don't know Wagwan, but that can't run.
Yes.
That can't run, fam.
This is getting very dangerous, bro.
It's getting risky out here. You might need to sponsor me still, no joke. Like, man's life is on the line. I ain't got life insurance. It's all right. Out of 5, a 3.5.
What are you saying?
Man's in it, like, boy, it was very, very underwhelming still. Man didn't even have burger sauce. What? How could I respect you? How? Again, overall, a 3.5. No, you're not getting more. Not nice. If you come here expecting the Pengest Munch, you're an idiot. You're an idiot, you're an idiot. So, yeah. You right, boss? Yeah.
Yes.
Trying to figure out where I know Boss Man from. I know him from somewhere.
Oh.
But, Boss Man from Job Centre. Swear it out. One take.
Well, that was Pengest Munch, the Pengest Munch, episode 6, Chicken, and I thought that the chicken looked tasty before, but when he explained how it tasted and how he ate a bone, I really got put off. So yeah, I won't be eating chicken anytime soon. Well, not today at least, because chicken is delicious. But you know, like the guy behind the camera, yeah, I wish I could have seen his face, and the guy in front of the camera who was presenting, or whatever it's called, he was okay, but I mean, the best part about it was the chicken, am I right? So I am L-Noodle and this is the video for today, so goodbye.